Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of lag on the application of Authenticator. You click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Authenticator and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.